Good morning from Zipolite. It is Sunday morning and it's 6:30, and as you can hear, the frogs and the chickens are waking up, and we are getting up so early on Sunday morning because in the commune where we are living we have a Tequio today, and a Tequio, that's a communal cleanup. And because during the day it's so hot, they do it from 8 in the morning until 11 in the morning. And what we will show you in a while, a little bit more detail, what a Tequio is. And now I have to feed our 3 new cats we are having in the house here, which we are renting at the moment. This one is Ost, and I think the other ones are still sleeping because they are not here yet. So the early bird catches the worm, and this is this morning Ost. Hello.
This is the invitation to the Tequio. It's a very official document from the commune saying 2nd of June at 8 a.m. And this Tequio takes place every quarter, so it's 4 times a year. And we have to bring with us this one and this one. We also have a machete, but we've lent it away to a friend, so we don't have our machete with us. But I think this will do. And it's raining this morning. The rainy season started right on time, end of May, as every year. And usually in June we have like half rain, half sunshine. But today it looks like 100% rain.
And finally, cat number 3, the left one, which is called Flot, woke up. And she's the last one who gets her breakfast, but the other ones are already finished and they're very hungry still. And they're having a little bit a discussion at the moment if she can eat it alone or not, but I think she will not share it at all. This is the communal office of Arroyo, Santa Maria Tonameca, and this is where all the people are gathering. And you can see in the front of the picture there's already an empty plastic bottle which we're going to collect later. Last time we were like 60 or 80 persons. I hope that we will get some more people today. Probably due to the rain there are not going to be a lot of people, but let's see. So the guy with the piece of paper in the hand, this is our president, and he is actually forming the groups and deciding who is cleaning which area in the village. Mart is getting ready to like collect the trash. Yeah, and this is our area where we have to collect the trash. It's called Playa Camarón. Some of you maybe know this if you ever been to Zipolite. So we have to collect all the trash here. Let's start the collecting. So this is the result from 45 minutes so far. And you can see it's mostly plastic bottles. I just hope that one day these plastic bottles will disappear and maybe we come back to glass bottles like in the good old times. So So now we are at 2 bolsas, 2 bags.
And this is very bad.
What
This
is
is
it?
Durox.
Yes.
Goes into millions of pieces. Never disappears.
So this is all the trash we have collected this morning with the people here. Countless bags of trash, and I just asked the co-president when the last Tequio was, and it was actually only 3 months ago, and then we collected even more. So if you ever come to Zipolite, please, or to Tonameca, don't throw your trash out of the window.
So they added a little communal information session at the end of the Tequio, which is a good opportunity because the most of the people living in the commune are around. So they gave, for example, some information about the revival of the Zapotec language. The central government is trying to give more power to the indigenous people, and one part of the program is to revive the local languages. So they were asking for 20 volunteers to start learning Zapotec, and they get 500 pesos a month to do this. So this is a really good thing to revive the local language.
How
But
much
now-
is 500 pesos?
Yeah, 500 pesos is about 25 euros. But now let's have a coffee. So the best place for a good coffee in Zipolite is Oaxaca.
Now we are back home, and as you can see, it stopped raining. Of course, it was raining all morning. And the cleanup is finished, and actually an Instagram follower sent us a link to a video. Maybe you, if you're interested in this plastic pollution thing, you can Google it. We will put the link below as well. It's a Vimeo movie called Drowning in Plastic. And when you have seen this video and when you do the cleanup, you have so many things going through your head, but I'm sure you know what I'm talking about. For all of those of you who are following us for a longer time, you might have noticed that we are not publishing videos so regular anymore at the moment. This is because we have more or less settled here in Oaxaca, in Zipolite, on the coast on the Pacific coast, and we are currently working on a project. And for the people who are following us on Instagram, you might know it already, we are constructing a house for ourselves here, and we are in the planning phase, and we're trying to get all the permits, etc., etc. But already next week we are going to another destination within Mexico, and we're going to make a video about it, of course. And we have also some plans for the summer to come back to Europe for 1 or 2 months. We need to plan it a little bit more concrete, and of course we're going to make more videos also from the destinations we are going to visit. So thank you very much for watching this video about the cleanup here in Tonameca. Have a wonderful time wherever you are, and of course safe travels always.